Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you my recipe on how to make sausage parmesan on your Blackstone. These look like restaurant quality, made in your backyard. Let's have a taste test, see how we did. And we're using the air fryer. Come on with me, I'll show you how you put this together. Alrighty everyone, so sausage parmesan. I love sausage parmesan. It is probably one of the easiest meals you can make. I have here some mild Italian sausage from Walmart, from the market side, fresh. Very good sausage. Got some mozzarella cheese. I got a mix of red onion and white onion. And I have some homemade marinara sauce. Let's come over to the Blackstone. Let's get it fired up and get these sausages cooking. By the way, I like to point out one little thing. These are freaking amazing. I love them. They definitely chase away the flies. And around here we have a lot of flies because I got chickens out there, fresh chickens, and boy, do they attract a lot of flies. And these things are a great little investment. Put them on the table, and absolutely keeps the flies away. I love it. I'll leave a link for them in the description below. You can check them out on my Amazon. Go ahead and throw them. I love my onions, especially on a Parmesan sandwich. While they're cooking up, we're going to take our sausage here on the other side. I'll just leave them right on there. And we'll let that sausage get all nice and happy. Give these onions a little toss. Now, I had peppers, but I used them in a previous video, and I forgot to pick up more peppers. So, I got no peppers, but onions are fine. My mistake. But definitely you can put peppers and onions on these, and oh, they are so good. It looks like a lot of onions, but when they cook down, they ain't going to be as many as you think. And like that. That's just some extra virgin olive oil. I really don't want to put any salt or any pepper because the sausages are going to have lots of salt and other seasonings in them. And we are trying to eat somewhat healthier. So lower sodium makes for healthier meals. All right, folks. These onions are caramelizing up nicely. They have still got a few more minutes to go before they get where I want them, but they are almost close. But go ahead and flip the sausages over. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at that color. That's the color you want. That's some yum yum goodness there. That's some yum yum goodness right there. Oh yeah, nice sear on there. Oh, they're going to be delicious. All right, let these cook on this side. We'll temp them. We're looking for between 165 and 170. Alrighty, folks. Onions are done. And just let them sit there and chill out for a little bit. Alrighty, everyone. Let's go ahead and give a temperature test on these sausages to see how we're doing. Now, I know you're all going to be wanting to jab it right in the middle. Don't do that. Hold the sausage with your tongs, and you want to put it right through the casing right there. And we're at 210. All right, 195. We are good to go on this. We're going to go shut this off. I'm going to put them together and then get them on the air fryer. We're going to go ahead and fire our air fryer up. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to turn this all the way down to high. This is high all the way. And then we're going to hit the fan and we're going to hit the igniter. That's going to ignite it. And we're going to let them heat up. In the meantime, we'll get the sausages on the buns. Alrighty, everyone. Let's build this sausage parmesan. So first thing we're going to need, of course, is the sausage. You take some of those onions. You take as many or as little as you want. I love my onions. And I got some homemade marinara sauce. And if you haven't seen how I made my marinara sauce, I'll leave a link for it right there. Take some marinara sauce, put it right on top. Perfect. Got some mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to put the mozzarella cheese right on there, just like that. Get the rest of these done, and then we'll get them inside the air fryer. All right, got the sandwiches all made. Go ahead and pull the air fryer out. Lay them right on in. Looks like I'm only going to get 2 at a time in there. Wait 5 minutes, pull them out, get the other 2 in. All right, here we go, folks. We're done. These look like restaurant quality, made in your backyard. Let's have a taste test, see how we did. All right, guys, let's have a taste test, see how we did. Ah, man, that crunchiness. I love that caramelized cheese on top. Oh, yeah, it's going to be good. Cheers, everyone. Mm. Mm. Guys, oh my God. Sausage Parmesan sandwiches on the Blackstone. Use the air fryer. Restaurant quality in your freaking backyard. Where do you go wrong with that? Smash that like button, guys. But until next time, as always, God bless. Happy eats. I love you all.